Hello guys, welcome back to my another video. In this video we are going to learn about how to swap two numbers in Deluge using a third variable. So first we are knowing about the process of swapping. Swapping is the process of exchanging our two variables values. Suppose if I have a value of a variable is equal 5 and b variable equal 10, after swapping the output will be a equal 10 and b equal 5. So just writing the code and understand how we swap a variables to numbers using a third variable. First we just initializing a third variable which is temp. In the temp variable, first we assigning a value of a into the temporary variable. After assigning the value of a into the temporary variable, temp equal 5, right? And after assigning the value of a into the temporary variable, we just assigning a b variable value into a. So now a equal 10, right? And after assigning the v variable value into a variable, we just assigning a temporary variable value into the b variable, right? So which is v equal 5, a equal 10, b equal 5. So if I printing the value of a, also printing the value of b, let's execute the script. So now a equal 10, b equal 5. This is the first approach using a third variable. Let's learn about the another approach, which is swap a two number without using a third variable. Okay, so without using a third variable, we just solve this problem by using a arithmetic operation. First, what we are doing, we just summation of two variables value and assigning that summation value into the a variable, which is a equal a plus b, right? A plus b, which is if a equal, right now I'm just commenting that code first. So now I have a variable is 5 and b variable value is 10. Okay, after summation the both variables value a equal 15. Okay, after that, get the value original value of a, that is summation minus original value of b, and store it in the b variable, which is b equal a minus b, right? Which is b equal, right now I have a value after summation, a value is 15 minus 10, which is 15 minus 10 equal 5. And after that, get the original value of b, that is the summation minus original value of b. Same, in that same process, we just get the original value of a equal a minus summation minus b, right? Right now the summation value is 15, a equal 15 minus b is 5, right? After subtracting both the values, a equal 10. If I am printing the value of b, also printing the value of a, so after printing, let's execute this script, which is b equal 5, a equal 10. So these are the two approaches through which we just swapping a two numbers in Deluge with the help of temporary variable and without using a temporary variable. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.